Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini and check out where I brought you today. We are in Florence, Tuscany, and right now I'm standing right in front of a 15th century manorial villa. This property has passed through different families, generations, and has been remodeled and embellished by illustrious architects. Today you have the chance to own the most beautiful apartment inside this piece of history. Included there is this manicured Italian garden, all fenced by the park of the villa, while being steps away to the center of Florence. Let's see it together. Come with me. The villa dates back with its original layout to the 15th century. It passed from hand to hand until the Pasquali family in 1713, who then commissioned the architect Alfonso Parigi to take care of the restoration. In the 19th century, the villa was purchased by Jérôme Bonaparte, the last brother of the better-known Napoleon I of France. Right now, the villa is in excellent condition and has been restored in recent years. Below the villa lies the romantic park, set as a backdrop to the building. Here we find beautiful stone paths with 18th century statues, a pond and a multitude of plants. We have strawberry trees, Arizona cypresses, Tuscan cypresses, ginkgo biloba, pines, oaks, redwoods, and many others. Elevated above the English-style parks and on level with the villa, we have the impressive Italian garden, made with boxwood hedges, which are geometrically shaped but at the same time sinuous and intricate. The balustrade that encircles the garden is decorated with statues in exquisite 18th century style. It is matching beautifully the lines of the terrace on the first floor of the villa. From the garden, we can access both of the apartments we are about to see. I'm first gonna talk to you about the smaller one, which is on this corner of the villa. It takes up these two windows and it needs a total restoration. It is 150 square meters, so about 1,600 square feet. Before we enter the property, I would like to show you the backside of the villa with the gate, which you reach after passing through the beautiful English park driveway. You get here, park your car, and you're right by the entrance. Let's go inside. We're now inside the foyer of the villa. This is the common entrance for all of the apartment, and without a doubt, it was thought to be impressive. With these really high ceilings, they're probably about 15 meters high. We have lots of beautiful architectural elements, the stuccos, the frescoes on the ceilings, and all of these statues all around that keep an eye on who enters the villa. I love the checkered floor made of ancient marble, kept in excellent condition. From this room, we also find access to the smaller apartment I've shown to you earlier. And right behind me, central to the wall, we have the access to the larger unit. Follow me, let's go inside. The apartment immediately welcomes us in this large hallway. And straight away we realize how, even though we're inside an apartment, we're actually inside a manorial villa with these beautiful high ceilings with vaults and the stone details. I love also the floor, which is checkered and made out of 2 varieties of marble. I love how it is filled with natural light thanks to these 3 large arched windows that let us access the loggia right in front and the Italian garden. A perfect spot close to the kitchen and living areas to enjoy the warmer seasons, dine al fresco, sheltered by the sun and with a light, pleasurable breeze. The hallway connects 2 wings of the apartment. Let's begin on this end with the largest living area of the property. The first thing I noticed straight away when I entered this room is how the floors switch from the marble of the entrance to the cozier and warmer parquet wood of this living area. Together with the cream color of the walls and the rounded shape of these wonderful vaulted ceilings, it makes this room really cozy, warm, and comfortable. The room is divided into 2 parts by these 3 arches you see behind me. The first section has this large bespoke wooden library that surrounds the sitting area like an amphitheater. In fact, it is an entertainment space. On the second section, we have this cozy sitting space to relax and unwind. I love that we also have a piano in this room to enjoy some classical music. And right behind me, we find this working 18th century fireplace full of details made out of marble. The apartment continues. Let me show you the dining and kitchen section of the property. And we begin from this room here, which I think actually is one of the most impressive of the whole house. We are in the dining room, and I have to say how anywhere you look, you find a precious detail filled with beauty. It has these elegant marble floors, high ceilings with these impressive frescoes restored by Italian masters. Conveniently located by the dining room, we have the eat-in kitchen. It is fully equipped with stainless steel top and wooden details. On this side, there even is a working marble fireplace, a smaller dining table for a quick lunch, and this room is connected on this side to a cozy office space that together with this room overlooks the garden. Before I show you the bedrooms, let me mention that behind this wall we have a 40 square meters caretaker apartment with 1 bedroom and independent access. On this side there is also a convenient laundry space. This is the first bedroom of the house. It divides into 2 sections with a first bedroom on the lower part and a second bedroom onto the large mezzanine level upstairs that you can access through these stairs. I love how it has all of these large wardrobes, but as well its own large balcony overlooking the backside of the villa. Next, we have the primary bedroom. It starts with walk-in wardrobes. We have his and hers. They are really large and I love them. Over here we have the actual bedroom, nice and spacious, high ceilings, lots of natural lights because it is overlooking the front facade of the property with the Italian garden, the park, so full of natural light. Over here we have the beautiful canopy bed, really cozy. And opposite to me, there is the ensuite bathroom covered with green marble and with a bespoke large bathtub. Let's now see a third bedroom. This as well is really cozy, and it is overlooking the side of the villa with its own balcony and ensuite bathroom with Italian tiles. Here we are at the end of today's property tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this property. It left me really fascinated, and I think it is perfect for somebody that would like the sweet spot between owning a villa and owning a beautiful apartment. I hope you liked it. Please let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, ciao.